So any queries, guys, from the last session? Done. Manoj? Yeah. So next we will discuss about the bootstrap base. So what is the bootstrap, guys? It's a framework, right? The framework of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Boot కలిపి build చేసిన framework bootstrap. So framework, which is like HTML, CSS, and JSX. So simply we can say it's a CSS framework. We used to call it a CSS framework, guys. But the combination of three here we have. And using Bootstrap, so mainly for what, guys? To create the responsive web designing, guys. And here you have a predefined components, like predefined styles, ready-made styles. Here you have. You just go to that official website and take that component, and you can copy and paste. So that's it. Okay. So it's a framework, and use this we can easy to develop, guys. Easy to develop. We can develop very less time. So if you are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you want to develop one template, it will take suppose at least 1 or 2 hours now. So within less time you can develop. Suppose you want complete develop one website, it will take 1 week of time. Now within 2 days you can develop. So that much of easy and less time. And we can use code also reduce less code, guys. And mobile first we used to say mobile first. Means here a responsive, guys. Means you can create the RWD. It's a responsive web designing. You can create the RWD. It's a responsive web designing. Means what? Suppose you want to create the responsive web designing. We have read a lot of media queries, right? So we need to arrange the breakpoints like mobile for up to 500. So tabs of range. So we can use like that, guys. But here, so by default, you need the responsive, guys. So how? So here we have a grid, guys, grid system. Okay, so the entire width we are going to divide into the number of grids, guys. Okay, so grids like here you have a different types of screens and different types of, they'll tell you what is grid. So based on this grid, we are going to create the grid means what, guys? Going to the two-dimensional rows and columns it will divide, guys. And so it will support all browsers. And we have a lot of JavaScript plugins, guys. And so pre-styled component. Means ready-made component. And it's a very good documentation. Enough. So like we have a few features about the bootstrap, guys. Clear now? So how to get the bootstrap, guys? Bootstrap ఎలా get చేసుకుంటాం? Simply how to get the CSS icons, guys? You know, flat icons. How we are integrating the flat icons, guys? So we can integrate two ways now, using file download method and using CDN. You got it right? The same way, bootstrap also we can integrate in two ways, guys. That is what, using file download method or using CDN. Okay? So I will show you. You just go. It's a content delivery network. What, sorry? So it's a content delivery network. So if you are using CDN, no need to download any of the specific file or path. So directly you can go to that CDN. I mean, directly go to that website and take that URL and you can use. Okay, now, so no need to any offline methods. If you are using CDN, it's a online. It's a content delivery network. It's just a simple URL. Okay, and using that we are going to get that files like. So if not using any CDN, what happened, guys? So we have to go to the website and we need to download. We can take the files and something. I'll show you practically. So this is the official website, guys, getbootstrap.com. So directly I'll give the files, guys. See guys. So these are the Bootstrap features. Remember, easy to develop. Okay, we can write very less code, guys, and less time, and mobile first approach, and response we can create, and pre-styles components. And it's open source, guys, free and open source, and support for all browsers, and built-in JavaScript plugins here. Okay, and here a good extensive documentation. And next, how to get, guys? Same. So we can get the Bootstrap in two ways, guys, using file download method. It's a offline, and one more what, guys? CDN. It's a content delivery network. It's an online link, guys. And you just go and open getbootstrap.com and click on downloads and click on again downloads, guys. You'll get one zip file. And you just track that one, you will get the two folders. A lot of folders in that we are going to get only two folders. One is CS and one more is JS. So in CS folder also you have a lot of libraries, guys. And from that we are going to get only one file, that is bootstrap.min.css. It's a minified version. Bootstrap.min.css. And same like from JS. So JavaScript also we can get bootstrap.bundle.min.js file, guys. These two files we need. That is up to 5 versions. Suppose if you are using the lower version, Bootstrap 4 or 3. So in that time we are using 3 libraries: bootstrap.min.css, jQuery.min.js, and bootstrap.min.js. 3 libraries in Bootstrap 3. And Bootstrap 4 onwards we are using bootstrap.min.css and jQuery jQuery popper.min.js, one jQuery, and bundle.min.js. That is Bootstrap 4.6 up to. And Bootstrap 5 onwards we are using only 2 libraries, that is bootstrap.min.css and bootstrap.bundle.min.js. Only 2 libraries we are using, guys, right now. The latest version, okay? And this is the offline method, guys. Online, like what? You just same website, open getbootstrap.com and click on download, and there you have a below JS deliveries, guys, like this. And here you have a 2 links. You just copy and you can use. Okay, na? So these 2 ways you can get the Bootstrap. I will show you. Just open getbootstrap.com and you have a download, guys. Again, click on download file. You'll get that zip file, guys. You got it now? See. Getbootstrap.com, download, again download button, you'll get this. Guys, yes, CS folder, you have a bootstrap.min.cs. This is the library, guys. And back. In JS folder, we have a bootstrap.bundle.min.js. Okay, so so CS file using link type, we can integrate in the HTML fields. And same JS file using script SRC, script to source. So like that, we can integrate these 2 files, guys, bootstrap.min.css and bootstrap.bundle.min.js, these 2 libraries. And suppose you want to go with the CDN, same, you just open same website. Open getbootstrap.com. CDN method I will show you. It's a content delivery network. Click on download. And here we have a JS. Just scroll down. Here you have a JS deliveries. Okay? Here I have 2 links now. One is bootstrap.min.css. And one more is bootstrap.bundle.min.js. These 2 libraries. Got it now? Simple చెప్పాలి అంటే మనకంతా రెడీమేడ్ గా రెడీ ఉంటుంది, guys. You just copy and paste that. Few changes only. So here I'm going to show you. So I'm going to copy this file. So here I'm going to create one index file. So you want to understand Bootstrap, mainly focus on these 3 points, guys. What is Bootstrap? How to integrate. Okay, what is Bootstrap and how to integrate, guys. And next, what are the Bootstrap basic classes? Like what is content, what is container, what is container fluid, and how to apply backgrounds, colors, margins, paddings, alignments, the basic classes. And next, Bootstrap grid system. These 3 points only. Bootstrap grid and basic classes and how to integrate. That's it. Okay, ఈ 3 పాయింట్స్ పైన ఫోకస్ చేయండి. So now you guys, first point clear na? What is Bootstrap and how to integrate? Clear na guys? Okay, this point clear right guys? So what is Bootstrap and how to integrate? Clear na guys? Sure. Next, and we already integrated, just I'm going to show you. So we use CDNs guys. We directly use copy and paste, we are using links. So just we have only one heading, that is hello world, right? See, guys, here did you observe anything here? Fonts. So in Bootstrap, bootstrap.min.css, for every element they written already CS guys. So H1 font style, size, color, everything they written. See, I'll show you. Control F, just H1, comma H2, comma H. See. So what is the font style, margin, padding, font style, font height, line color, everything is written guys. So if you are used automatically, you will get. Suppose just I'm going to comment this bootstrap.min.cs. You can check it what happened. No CSS. It's a normal H1. You got it? See, if I remove this, see now you'll get different. Understand the changes? Thick bold లేదా ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫాంట్ స్టైల్ ఇప్పుడు అదే ఇప్పుడు నేను మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు చూడండి కొంచెం మోడరేట్ అయింది కదా సో గైస్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్ నా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ పార్ట్ క్లియర్ and next one more point is what guys, so the Bootstrap basic classes guys. So మనం every web page guys, so we are going to divide the web page into the mainly, so we are going to arrange your content into the mainly 2 things guys. One is you want to apply your content 100% width you are going to maintain, that is what container fluid guys. You want fixed width, that is what container. So we are using in CS we are using container class, right? So we are write our own CS, like what we are going to apply fixed width and margin auto. So we are applying few properties guys, that is what for container. But Bootstrap, the already content we have predefined class. In Bootstrap we have a mainly you want to align for your layout for 2 classes guys, mainly 2 classes, that is container or container fluid guys. Container for fixed width, container fluid for 100% width. See, I'll calculate few classes, you can check it guys. Guys, these are the basic class guys. For layout, what are the class we have guys? Container fluid 100% width guys, and container fixed width. Okay, and next, so every container we must take the one row class guys. Okay, so suppose in your row we are going to add three more divs like cards or something you want to arrange. Before first you have to take parent class for what? Container or container fluid. And inside you can take one row class. And inside the row class you can take number of how many columns you want. Got it? So like this case. And next, in Bootstrap we have a predefined colors, guys. Bootstrap we have a predefined color like what? Primary, info, success, warning, danger. These are predefined classes. And these classes you want to apply for background. We have a class name like BG, guys. BGI for primary, BGI for info, BGI for success. This is for background. For text, we have to apply text hyphen primary. See, if you want, you can use your custom CSS. These are predefined. If you want, you can use it. That's it. Understand now? And next, for text element, we have a class elements. So in CSS, we are applying text hyphen align. But here directly can use text center, text start, end, center. And for here, margin for M, guys. T for top, R for right, bottom, left. S for what, guys? Start. MS for margin start. ME, margin end. MX, margin left and right. MY, margin top and bottom. Same like padding also. You got it now? Like there are some utilities, guys. Bootstrap utilities, spaces, and alignments, and text color, background color, and few basic classes. Okay, na? And next we have to collect only these 6 element classes. What are the basic classes? Like how to apply, what are the CS classes for images, list, table, form. That's it. సో మీరు ఇవి కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని సరిపోతుంది. బేసిక్ క్లాస్లో ఇమేజ్కి ఏమున్నాయి, టేబుల్కి ఏమున్నాయి, ఫామ్కి ఏమున్నాయి తెలిస్తే మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇక రిమైనింగ్ ఎవరిథింగ్. ఓకేనా? మనం కొంచెం బేసిక్గా మనం ఓన్గా రాయగలగాలి. అఫ్ కోర్స్ రాయం కానీ బట్ తెలియాలి. నా ఇంటెన్షన్ ఏంటంటే సో బేసిక్ క్లాస్ ఓన్ మనం మెయిన్గా బూస్ట్రాప్ సిరీస్ ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేశాక బేసిక్ క్లాస్ మనం ఓన్గా రాయగలగాలి. అంటే మీరు ఒక 2-3 టెంప్లెట్స్ చేస్తే మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఫర్ బేసిక్ క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ. So here I am going to take one div class. So inside the container, I am going to add this heading, guys. See, you'll get fixed width, no? What happened? What did I get? The same space, right? I am going to apply for understanding BG, guys. BG hyphen primary, background primary color. So the content within the container only, guys. We are not applying any properties. Just use the class name, automatically it will apply. And you want to apply 100%, you just what are the class, guys? Fluid. Contain fluid for 100% width. Contain, right? Contain fluid. And see, for this text, I'm going to apply text color class. You just use the class and you can use the class name, guys. Text hyphen light white color and text center. Got it now? Primary info. Warning. Different elements, center, start, text start, text end, text center. Elements. You got it now? Text elements, how to apply background, how to apply color. And next, margin padding also, guys. For that, M just use M, guys. M for margin and P for padding, guys. Okay, like same like S for start and E for end. You want to apply it in top and bottom, just use X, guys. MX or PX. Guys, these 2 points clear now. First one, what is bootstrap? How to get clear? And next, basic layout classes: container, container fluid, background, color, text elements, and basic elements. The next one is grid system, guys. Bootstrap grid. See, guys, suppose in your web page you want to arrange like this, guys. Suppose, so here you have web page, no? So you guys are going to, suppose we have a row like this, guys. So in this row, you want to align 3 divs side by side. So how we are designing this one? Guys, make 3 divs side by side రావాలి. ఎలా డిజైన్ చేస్తారు? డిస్ప్లే ఫ్లెక్స్ యూస్ చేసుకొని ఓకేనా డిస్ప్లే ఫ్లెక్స్ అండ్ justify content, space between or space around, you can use anything, space. So that is the property which should apply, guys. So and so for same content you want design. So actually, guys, okay, without flex, how can you design? Without flex box, using float, okay na? So if you are use float, we have to apply width property, right? So like width, we have to go into the like 30% or something. And how we are dividing is, you just assuming like what my row default width is 100%, and if you want arrange 3 divs, you are going to divide 100 by 3. Like that you are going to arrange now. And you guys are thinking like what? So the default width is 100%. So that we are going to divide. But same like, so grid also we are going to divide into 12 columns, guys. How many columns? Bootstrap grid is divided into the 12 columns. Okay. And for each column, we have every properties applied, guys. 12 columns. Suppose you want to arrange in row, you want to arrange 2 divs, guys. And each div, how many columns we have to take? 6. That's it. You want to take like this 3 divs. Each div, how many columns? 4 columns. So very, very simple, guys. So Bootstrap grid is going to be 12 columns and 6 types of screens, guys. So like what? We have a extra small screens, medium screens, large screens, extra large, and double XL also. See, I'll show you. Here, Bootstrap grid system, guys. Grid we are divided to 12 columns and 6 types of screens. These are the screens. Okay, we have like breakpoints like what? Extra small screens up to 500. Like small screens up to 700 something. We have some specific range I will show you. And see, guys, so we are going to divide like this, guys. 12 columns, and so you want to divide 3 columns, guys. Call hyphen MDI 4 like this you can divide. And if so single row you want to arrange 4 divs each column. And so you also want to arrange large content, guys. 8 plus 4. You got it now? So this is the arrangement. First we are using gutter space. This is the space. Gutter space. This is the space between the divs. And next, container, row, and your columns, guys. Understood now? See, I'm showing. First container, and inside the container we have a row class, guys. So in this row, I'm going to take like 3 divs, guys. And each div, how many columns we need to take, guys? 4 columns. So simply just take and write like this. Call hyphen. We are writing medium screens or small screens or LG screens. That's up to you. Okay, na? Most we are writing for medium. MD for. So how many columns? 4 columns, right? 4. So in this, you can take anything, guys. Suppose I'm going to one image and one heading. And one paragraph. You got it? See guys, I'm going to 3 days. See, automatically you'll get grade like this, guys. So no need to apply any problems. Automatically you'll get like this. So we are not using any image property, right? We just width 100%. Simply not any property, we are just using single class. That is what call hyphen MD hyphen grid. And so this is your mobile view. Sorry, desktop view, no? Now see tab view. Like even mobile, we are not guys automatic addition. So even tab. So this is the beauty of Bootstrap, guys. See. So mostly for paragraphs, we are going to use one class name like lead class, guys. Class like lead. Lead for lead, we can apply text style, size, color, and everything. Guys. This is the lead class. And there is no justify, guys. You just for justify, we are applying your custom CSS only. For paragraph, apply. Like this. That is a lead class, guys. And we're going to use the same lead class for remaining paragraphs. So just remember. So mostly paragraphs. Which class we are using, guys? Lead. So for lead, we have some font style, size, everything is we applied, guys. Lead class lead. You got it now? So it's clear now, guys. And suppose so first row we have a 3 divs, guys, and next row I'm going to take two rows only. So how can I? Yes. So row is complete. Next time I'm going to one more row, guys. So in this row we are going to 6. Call hyphen MD hyphen 6. Medium screens. XS for extra small screens. XS extra small screens. MD medium screens. Okay. Extra small screens. SM small screens. MD medium screens. LG large screens. Extra large screens and extra large screens. Yeah, given you now. Student like hero. XS, SM, MD, LG. 6 types of Bootstrap 5 is the 6 tiers architecture. Bootstrap 4 is the 5 tiers architecture. We don't have any double XL. And we have only 4 types of architecture only. XS, SM, MD, and LG only. Later we added XL and double XL. Simple. I used only 3 divs, guys. First container contain fluid, then after row class, then after columns. We can call it 12 by number of columns and that's it. Simple. See, I want 2 divs only. Just I used only 2 columns. Guys. In first we have 3 divs, now I have 2 divs. To go for mobile, you will get only all single only by 12 columns. సో లాజికల్ అప్పుడు రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేనైతే రో కాలం మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఎండి అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తే ఎండి లోపల మీరు ఎలా రాస్తే అలాగే చూపిస్తుంది. అంతకంటే ఎక్కువైపోతే ఆటోమేటిక్గా అది 12 అయిపోతుంది. సో దట్స్ వై గెటింగ్ రెస్పాన్స్. Suppose, see, in medium screens we are getting 2 divs, right? In mobile also I want the same. In mobile also I want to display 2 divs side by side. In mobile also. In that cases, you have to write like this, guys. Uh, so here before you can take call hyphen. Actually, in Bootstrap 4.6, we have to write call hyphen XS hyphen 6. We have to mention, guys. But in 5 onwards, no need to mention the specific column. Call hyphen 6, guys. అంటే మీడియంలోనే 6 ఉంటుంది. అది కాకుండా ఇంకా దానికంటే ఎక్సిడ్ అయితే అన్నిట్లో 6 యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. Column 6. No, see? So in mobile also you'll get two divs, guys. ఇంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ వచ్చి చూడండి. కొంచెం కూడా స్క్రోలింగ్ స్లైడ్ ఎంత నీట్ గా చేస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ రెస్పాన్స్. వాట్ ఇట్ నా? And we have to get a few classes, guys. Like what suppose for images, so we have a class name like class img hyphen rounded, guys. Just rounded class. Rounded. You got it? We have a radius applied, guys. Rounded class. Image hyphen rounded. Huh? Next. Second image I'm going to apply. img hyphen thumbnail. You got it? You have a border, right? Thumbnail border. Guys, have you seen like this? What I will change the background color of this. You got it? Thumbnail class. Rounded thumbnail. See, guys, here I applied PD. PT 2, right? That is means what, guys? Padding top 2. 2 means what? 2 REM, guys. 1 REM is equal to 16 pixel. Okay, 2 REM applied. Got it? Yes. Relative element space and element space. We'll take the space from the relatively means the parent element to something. Element space, only from element based. Parent relative space and element space. Based on the pixels. So the 100% divided the number of pixels, it will percentage, already you know percentage. Divided the number of percentages. And third one I'm going to apply. See, try to understand what are the image classes. You can shortlist ones. What are the class for images? So we use it rounded image hyphen thumbnail and image hyphen circle. Class. Yeah. Rounded hyphen circle. Like this, circle. What is that? Next. So here I'm going to get one table class. Real number, like name, course, field. Yeah, just I'm going to sample table guys. Normal HTML table. No? So for that, you just apply, go to the table and you just take class, just to table guys. That's it. So automatically you get neat look and feel. You got it? Table structure. And you want complete borders, table hyphen border. You get the border guys. Complete border you get. And you want to change any background color for this row, class, table hyphen primary. It's good enough. And if I open the mobile view, something response is missing. Suppose if I add one more column, see, I'm going to add one more column like contact number. See, to open to the mobile view, you'll get responsive, right? We are not getting responsive still. See, something is collapsing here, right? So how can I apply here? So we have one more class name, right? Table hyphen responsive. Very simple class actually. So earlier version we have to apply here only. Just we applied here only. Guys. Table hyphen responsive. But see, this class not applying here. Guys. See, we are not getting responsive. So same class, we just take one parent element, then you can apply, guys. And you just close the div after the table, guys. Now you will get response. See, you got it now? You will like this hard response. So for that we applied which class, guys? Table hyphen responsive. So here few more classes. Table. Just first we used only table class, table border, table what? Table responsive, table stripped, table animated. So like a few more classes, guys. So you just take these 6 elements, basic classes. What are the class? Poster class for list, table, form. That's it. ఒకసారి మీరు షార్ట్ లిస్ట్ చేసుకున్నట్టే అయిపోతుంది అంతే. మీకు అన్ని గుర్తుండిపోతాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఇమేజ్కి ఏం రాసాం? ప్రీవియస్ రాసుకునే కదా తమ్నేల్, ఇమేజ్ తమ్నేల్, రౌండెడ్ సర్కిల్, రౌండెడ్. Paragraph lead. Layout ki container, content view. Then grid. How many columns we are dividing? Simple. ఇప్పుడు ఒక టెంప్లెట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా బేసిక్ క్లాస్ యూజ్ చేసుకో. So next I'm going to show you form. క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటాం అంటే సార్ అడుగుతావు సార్ అడిగేస్తావా అది సార్ అడుగుతావా సార్ క్లాస్ కావాలా అడుగు ఇంకో 5 minutes ఇవ్వాలని తీసుకుంటాను యాక్షన్
తీసుకుంటారు
actually I want to take 1 hour but
you can take half an hour extended. You can extend it, no issue. 1 hour.
no need actually 1 hour అయితే నాకు మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అయితే అనుకున్నా
If you want to take 1 hour, you can take it, no issue. I can wait. The database class start అవుతుంది because 9 to 10 స్మాల్ క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది 10 database class ఉంటుంది 1 program class ఉంటుంది. So today you can extend it, no issue.
30 seconds will you continue
Yeah. So after 1 hour we can.
okay so action so we have a label username and input yes now you'll get normal HTML only now just like HTML form only right so you just apply simple class guys that is what form group ఇక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తారు అనుకుంటా ఫైల్ కదా yes this is only just class input you just apply class and class name like form control guys form control see automatically you will get it form control type is called submit class button for you actually btn guys btn hyphen success button class button for btn guys it's very simple no? And we have a space guys like class not using no? like that space only. And if you want you can apply 100% also button class grid hyphen block grid hyphen actually btn so actually the bootstrap up to 4 we have to use the btn hyphen btn block so it will apply 100% but this class name changed like Grid icon, something I check, let me check. This is the buttons. You can grid block something class in your case. D hyphen grid. Like this, 100% it will take D hyphen grid. Complete display test. Block your you'll get. So cool. So just I with only one class. There is what form hyphen control only case. Actually, we have one more like what? Farm group and farm control. But farm we are not using phi and what? We are using only farm control only. And next button class like what guys? BTN. See, I will show you. There are basic button class, right? Just class BTN. Primary info success or in danger. And we have sizes also guys. BTN. See, BTN, LG, SM. Button, LG for large button guys. MD for medium button. SM for small button. The sizes. See, this is for button class and button color and button size. Just give the space and you can apply the class name. Okay, you just try to plan for only basic. Try to collect the only basic classes, guys. Clear now? Guys, this 3 point understood, right? So, what is Bootstrap and how to integrate? And next, what are the basic common classes? Bootstrap basic classes and grid, guys. Grid are the under clear. Simple. Container after take one row and you can divide your 12 columns number of how many you want. Clear now? And you just open this official website and go and check it, guys. You have a complete content. So grid and the grid breakpoint shows you guys. See, this is the breakpoints. So first extra small up to less than 556 and up to greater than 572 up less than 768. That is small screens like tabs. Medium up to 9 something and Excel and double Excel. These are the breakpoints, guys. Columns like this we are going to divide. Gutter space means the space between the divs. This is the gutter space. GX means you want more space, you just apply GX left and right, you will get 5. Utilities means there spaces only. Already we discussed. No? Guys, understood now? Same padding and watch. Textile elements. Same start to end. Text size also. Text wrap class. And you want to align vertical elements. Align base, align top, middle, center. Vertical element. Right? Same visibility, visible or invisible. So genetics for what guys? Here you want to arrange bottom row and top row. Okay. And what are the basic text classes? And what are the class for images? Just collect image fluid, image thumbnail, image alignments. Or what are the table classes. class table, table with different colors, table with stripped means one row different color, like that will be stripped like this. Column stripped, dark, table classes. Figure means image classes. Next area I have form classes, form control. For class we just do form control. And you want to arrange form to the horizontally. So like this you can form inline class. Like this you can have. Okay, check the form classes, table classes, form classes, image classes. Basic class you should collect guys. Okay. And next we will discuss about the Bootstrap components. You just integrated Bootstrap guys. Okay. So you just open getbootstrap.com. Documents and just scroll down guys. You have a predefined components. Accordions, alerts, these are all the Bootstrap components guys. Right. So just I want to start from template guys. So first we have to have this. To design a template, first what we need? Navbar, right? So logo and menu. So you just in this component we have a ready-made component that is navbar component. Just scroll down. So here you have a navbar. Okay. See. First you should just add your CDNs like Bootstrap CDNs are that's offline, that's up to you. మీరు ఆఫ్లైన్ లింక్స్ యాడ్ చేయండి ఆన్లైన్ రెండు లింక్స్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ ఉండాలి ఖచ్చితంగా కావాలి వితౌట్ లింక్స్ యూ కాంట్ ఓకే అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ గో టు ద navbar. See you want to design like this navbar, just take this code guys, copy and just paste here. Now see, now your navbar is ready and you want to change the colors and everything. Just you want more and see navbar BG, we have a different color. I'm going to change BG warning. So we'll get like this. You got it? And see, we can if you want to add a few more menu items, you can take the same, copy this link and paste. Just a few customization, that's it. So home, like about, like services, content. And suppose you want to align this menu to the right side. Okay, just go to here. So we have what is the class name here, guys? In menu, what is the class name here? Margin, guys. Margin end art, ME art, It's very important, guys. Listen carefully. ME auto, right? And you want to send right side, you just apply MS auto, guys. Margin start auto, you just apply. So see, go to the right side. And see, you just open the response, check the response guys. Automatically you get toggle bar. And see how much response. We are not adding piece of code now. అర్థమవుతుంది ఎంత సింపుల్ గా అయిపోతుంది సింపుల్ గా రెడీమేడ్ గా అయిపోయింది అంత సింపుల్ గా జస్ట్ చేంజ్ యువర్ కస్టమర్ యువర్ లోగోస్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ and next after this hero tag means suppose you want to add any cursors or any sliders. Okay na? So that is also you have already ready made guys. See, just scroll down. So here you have a cursors. You got it now? Select the cursors guys and cursors. Scroll down. So pretty different cursor here. Just copy. Hello? Hmm? Yeah, ikkade unnara class lo. Hmm. Okay, so where we are, guys? So now we're clear now. Next, we are going to integrate one slider, cursors, right? Just for your understanding, you can try to add your slider comments, guys. Okay, easily you can understand. Next, I'm going to take one container. Inside the container, I'm going to add this slider. You just copy and paste this slider, and you just change the image path only, guys. And try to arrange image 12 into 600 or 12 into 400. Then only you will get the neat look and feel. Okay, na? మళ్ళీ కస్టమ్ సిఎస్ రాయకుండా ఈజీగా అయిపోతుంది 12 into 400 తీసుకోండి ఇమేజెస్ and if you can add your cursor caption also, guys. Actually we taken only the plain slider, na? Only plain slider, guys. Suppose you want controls with indicators and you want with cursor caption also we have, guys. See, caption also you can take this one. So based on your requirement, so I'm taking cursor with the caption. Just you can change the only image path. Next, what you can change the cursor caption. Take one more image. See with the caption on it. So ఇక్కడ సైజ్ చూసారా డిఫరెంట్ సైజ్ వచ్చేస్తున్నది అందుకే నీకు రెస్పాన్స్ సో ట్రై టు టేక్ ద సేమ్ సిమిలర్ ఇమేజెస్ only. What it guys understand, no? So like this can go. And actually we applied textual center now, guys. That's why we are getting like this. paragraph we applied center right in normal CS. So justify. Na? That's why I'm getting like this. I'm going to comment this. No center. Only equal images ఉంటే బాగుండు. Okay, so you can take it, guys. You got it's understood, right? So next time we'll do one more deal. So next here I'm going to add three cards, guys. Okay, just call iPhone. MD. Start with one container. So container we have a row class. And inside I'm going to take three cards. So each card I'm going to take 4 columns, guys. So get booster.com. Here I have a card component. Select the card components. Here a card. Now you just take this code, copy, and you can paste. Here remove this with trace, no add this, and you can add the image. After navbar first, then cards. You share a cards, and you want if you can apply some top space, right? Margin top, something like that's it. Simple. So like that, we have a predefined all components only. Just go and open check it. Accordions, guys, you know, right? So in website we are going to add now, guys, like FAQs, frequently asked questions. So we have a tabs. When you click on that tab, it will slowly to expand the content. So you want to create like that type of design, you just use like see. Where ready-made code, you just copy and paste it and change the content, change the headings and change the content. Next, alerts, alert warning, success, danger. We have a few alerts, guys. Next, badges. So on button you want some notification. Suppose 5 messages or something we are showing a number. That is red badges, guys. Class badge. Suppose here I am going to take one more menu item. Span like 6. Yes, you got to have a normal span, right? We are not able to see that 6 number. So I want to highlight that one, guys. So for that, just apply class badge. See, it's a badge, default badge apply. And you want, you can change the background color also. Next BG secondary. What it? Or you can say danger. So that is the badge class things. Okay, and the buttons are labels. If you want, you can create the badges like that. Next, we have a breadcrumbs. But breadcrumbs means every layer you have a slash, home slash, about. Just you can take another list. You just apply class breadcrumb. Automatically you get like that slashes, home slash, about slash, okay, breadcrumbs. Next button, BTN class. Just means. Next button groups also. Next cards. Just to discuss na cards. Next cursors, sliders. So here I have a different types of sliders guys, like only plain sliders, plain with the controls with indicators, controls with the indicators with the cursor captionals, and close button, BTN close. Collapse means we can show like toggle you can display it, hide and show, collapse. Okay, there is a collapse class. And drop downs. Just create drop down menus like this. And list, simple list. List open list items. Model pop-ups. So when we have a some menu bars have only login button. When you click on it, you'll get pop-up now. That is model pop-ups. Just I'm going to copy this. Got it guys like this. And in that model body, if you want to get any form also guys, okay. So in model body, I'm going to add this form, guys. Click on this user log here. So like that you can design. So based on that, you can customize your model pop-ups. Clear? For this, you can apply class mx margin left right space will get. Oh, not here. Is the button. Here you can apply. Space, left and right space. Get it? So like that you can create the model pop-ups, guys. Like the nav bar, just this tabs, just navs and tabs you can check. Like this will get. Off camera, sidebars, guys, off canvas, like this will get. Sidebars. Like this. These are off canvas, one can use. Paginations. The same another list class pagination. Automatically you'll get like this. Placeholder. Popovers means when you click on that, right, tooltips, how you guys, when your mouse will show the tooltip, no? The tooltip is displayed. Popover means when you click on that, it shows you guys. Tooltips, how it will behave. So when your mouse hover, it will display, right? Popovers means when you click on, then it will show you. Attention. Popovers. And progress bars. Different types of progress bars. And on scroll spy, guys. See, and tab it will move now, guys. Move one tab to another tab, first, second, third. So when you scroll, it will move to one tab to another tab. Scroll on scroll spy. Spinners tools. Grow spinners also. Those, right, live notifications. So when you click on that button, so after 2 seconds or 1 minute, you will get now bottom hello, hi, like this will get. Those are notifications. Like you want show login successfully or fail you want show like this notifications live posts based automatically to this one. And there are the two tips. When you hover, you'll get mouse hover, you'll get the single line case. You want it in CSS, at least you have 10 to 15 properties. First, you have to arrange the elements, and we have to hidden when your mouse hover onto that, we can display the text. So many properties we have to, but here easily can create. So these are the predefined components in the Bootstrap. Clear now, guys? And try to design any template. Guys, using this all components, try to design one template, guys. I'll share a few images now. From there you can take anyone, you can try to design using Bootstrap. Each template లో ఏదో ఒకటి తీసుకొని ఈ కంప్లీట్ మీరు దీన్ని డిజైన్ చేయండి. And if you want, you can take like this also, guys. Like what? I'll tell you a few snippets. Just remember. Suppose some as of now we are using AI tools, guys. But earlier, you want to develop any web pages, we have to mostly depending on the snippets only. So snippets, predefined snippets we have in libraries, some libraries. So if you want anything, we are going to bring into the any ChatGPT or Claude, anyone we are using right now. But earlier we have to use like this snippets, right? So no one using right now, like past 6 months. So earlier we are using this like this snippets. That is what boot snip, guys. So in this we have a lot of snippets only, predefined snippets. Like this. Ready-made code only. Suppose you want to log in forward, just search for a login. Suppose you don't have any idea how it is in the login form. See here, you can check it a lot of login forms. Different types of login forms. Suppose you want to take one. So you'll get everything here only, guys. You have a HTML code, just copy and paste. CSS code, copy and paste. So like that, we are using earlier like this snippets. So like this is a preview, guys. So help of these snippets, easily we can customize your UI part easily. Suppose you want to design any cards like what? Like products. Product cards, different types of product. So help of this we can easily design guys our web page. సో ఇలాంటి కార్డ్స్ మనకు రెడీమేడ్గా ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ వాటి తీసుకొని మనం కస్టమైజ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళకి ఇప్పుడంతా మనం ఏ వాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇంత హెల్ప్ అవ్వడం జస్ట్ ఐడియా కోసం గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి వెబ్సైట్ నేమ్ ఈస్ bootstrap.com and next you can use CodePen also guys CodePen.com CodePen.io so that is one of the snippet guys మీకు కొన్ని టైం కొన్ని అంటే హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ ఇట్ వోంట్ యాక్సెస్ యూ నాకు అందులో చార్జ్ అవి ఓపెన్ అవ్వవు అప్పుడు అలాంటప్పుడు ఇవి మీకు చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతాయి స్ట్రిక్ట్గా అలో చేయని సో కాబట్టి అన్నీ తెలిసి ఉండాలని చెప్పేసి చెప్పుకోండి సో హియర్ హావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్నిప్పెట్స్ గైస్ సో పే వన్ లాగిన్ ఫామ్ so you have a lot of login forms just open so you want this you just click on just log into this codesnip.io and click on export and export zip that's it guys you'll get in this HTML guys you can open that's it in your login form you will get like this within 2 minutes or 1 minute you can get the same login form guys so these many snippets will easily can login or sign up or any sliders or any page you can search you can get that next boots watch this this is also one of the snippet guys you have a ready-made themes here developed already just take the snippet and copy and paste you have suppose you want to get any nav bar you have a nav bar snippet just take you have a code you can copy and paste so just we discuss number of components now. For every component here you have an example you can pick that you can use అర్థం అవుతుంది కదా ఇక్కడ అన్ని దాన్ని రెడీమేడ్ మీకు అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఏ అంత రాకముందుకి ఇది ఎక్కువ వాడుకునే వాళ్ళం రియల్ టైం మొత్తం మనకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మనం కూడా అందులో లాగిన్ అయిపోయి మన కోడ్ అంతా అందులో హోస్ట్ చేసుకునేవచ్చు మన స్టేట్మెంట్స్ మనం ఇవ్వచ్చు జస్ట్ మన ఏం రావు కానీ మనకు వ్యూస్ అంటే ఇంతమంది చేస్తారని చూపించచ్చు అన్న నాకు క్లోన్ చేసి అలా పెట్టుకునే వాళ్ళం ఎర్లియర్గా బట్ ఇప్పుడు మనట్లేదు బట్ ఐడియా కోసం గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి సో యూ గైస్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ వన్ వెబ్ పేజ్ లైక్ దిస్ మనం నీట్గా మీరు ఫస్ట్ అంతా ఒక ప్రాగ్లా ఇమేజ్ చేస్తుంది పెట్టేకి ఎనీ ఫస్ట్ లాగిన్ పేజ్ login and registration okay login and sign up 2 pages and next home and any web page with 5 web pages home about services contact so take show me on next Monday కంపెనీ ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ మొత్తం చూపించండి ఏ మొత్తం కావాలి లాగిన్ సైన్ అప్ తో ఏదైనా ఒక 5 వెబ్ పేజ్ తీసుకోండి చేస్తారు కదా నీట్గా బూస్టప్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని లాగిన్ సైన్ అప్ ఎనీ 5 వెబ్ పేజెస్ హోమ్ అబౌట్ సర్వీస్ కాంటాక్ట్ likely you want basic templates కావాలి అంటే ఇలాంటి బూట్ స్ట్రాప్ ఫ్రీ థీమ్స్, ఫ్రీ టెంప్లెట్స్. మీకు ఇవన్నీ ఫ్రీగా వచ్చేస్తాయి. జస్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ యూజ్ కస్టమైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కానీ ఎవరికన్నా మీకు వెబ్సైట్ డెవలప్ చేసే స్టార్టింగ్ వెబ్సైట్ అంటే జస్ట్ ఇలాంటి తీసుకొని యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఫ్రీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. సింప్లీ సింగిల్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్. పోర్ట్ఫోలియో అబౌట్ టీమ్ కాంటాక్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇష్టం కస్టమైజ్ చేసుకొని యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇలా మనం కొన్ని ఫ్రీ థీమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, వాటిని యూజ్ చేసుకోండి. అంటే మీకు ఎలాంటి ఐడియా రావట్లేదు అంటే దాన్ని గైడ్ చేసుకొని మీరు డెవలప్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. Yes, like different types of three free themes you can use. Understood? రెఫరెన్స్ తీసుకొని దీనిలాంటి క్లోన్ తయారు చేసి పెట్టేసుకోండి. ఇంట్లో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బూస్టర్ అయింది టెంప్లెట్ చేసిన చూపించచ్చు, లింక్స్ చూపించుకోవచ్చు. సపోజ్ ఏదైనా ఫుడ్ బ్లాగ్ క్లోన్ చేసుకున్నా అని చెప్పేసి ఉన్నదాన్ని అలా. ఇంకా ఏమైనా సరిపోయిందా నీకు? బూస్టర్ ఓకేనా? Very fun. So if you learn one framework, guys, into to end, so try to collect the all bootstrap classes, guys, from this official website. And based on that, you can develop any kind of framework also. Like any kind of framework, you can learn your own way. Suppose you want to learn like what we say, Tailwind CSS, or like Material UI or Foundation. So there are same frameworks on CSS. So just how to integrate and what are the basic classes, basic things, and how the grid is work or how it is align the things and everything. So మీరు ఆ బేసిక్ పైన అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటే రిమైనింగ్ అంతా చేస్తాను సార్. ఒక ఒక ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ మీరు అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటే అలాంటి ఎన్ని ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ మీరు ఓన్గా నేర్చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఇదే ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ లో కూడా వాళ్ళ ఇంటర్నల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ఉంటాయి, మనం బయటికి తెలియదు అది. వాళ్ళు అదే స్టాండర్డ్స్ వాడతారు. వాళ్ళు ఇంటర్నెట్ కోడ్ ఏం రాయరు, లైన్ బై లైన్ ఏం రాయరు. అంత థీమ్స్ రెడీగా ఉంటాయి అన్ని. అవి ఇంటర్నల్ డెవలప్ అయి ఉంటాయి. ఆ థీమ్స్ బూస్టర్ లాంటి ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ఇంటర్నల్ డెవలప్ ఒక్కో కంపెనీతో స్టాండర్డ్ డెవలప్ చేసి పెట్టేసుకుంటుంది. అట్లా మీరు ఒక ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ మీరు ఓన్గా మంచిగా నేర్చుకుంటే మీకు ఏదైనా మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమైంది. ఖచ్చితంగా బూస్టప్ ఒక టెంప్లెట్స్ చేయండి కొంచెం నీట్గా. నేను కావాలంటే నేను కూడా షేర్ చేస్తాను. మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ ఇస్తాను బూస్టప్తో, అవి డిజైన్ చేయాలి. ప్రాక్టీస్. విండోస్ లో ఈ టెంప్లెట్ ఇచ్చేసాను డైరెక్ట్ సింపుల్ ఈ టెంప్లెట్ ఇచ్చారు. బూస్టప్ ఇంత సింపుల్ చూడండి. కంటైనర్ 6 మళ్ళీ 6 లో 6 మళ్ళీ 6 లో ఇదొక 6 ఇదొక 6. గ్రిడ్ మనం 4 కాలమ్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఇన్సైడ్ 4 అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ 12 కాలమ్స్ గైస్. నెక్స్ట్ రో కాలమ్ డి 3. ఇలాంటి కొన్ని మీరు డెవలప్ చేయండి. అసలు ఒక నావ్ బార్ క్రియేట్ చేయండి. దీని ఒక టెంప్లెట్ చేయండి. కార్డ్స్, యూజింగ్ కార్డ్స్ can design like this. Create one template like this. Using Bootstrap to develop that. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేసుకోండి అండ్ ఇంకా డౌట్స్ అడగండి. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ లోపల మనం రియాక్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే క్లియర్ చేసుకొని రియాక్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. చలో గైస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.